As artificial intelligence (AI) continues to evolve, Nvidia, a global leader in graphics processing and AI hardware, has made bold promises about a future where robotics will play an integral role in everyday life. The company's advancements in AI technology are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, leading to significant breakthroughs that promise to revolutionize industries and reshape our interactions with machines. Nvidia's vision for robotics. Nvidia envisions a world where robots are as common as smartphones and as essential as the internet. This vision is underpinned by the belief that AI and robotics can address many of the world's most pressing challenges, from healthcare and agriculture to transportation and manufacturing. The company's AI platforms, such as Nvidia Jetson, are at the heart of this revolution, providing the computational power needed to drive sophisticated robotic systems. The role of Nvidia Jetson. The Nvidia Jetson platform is a series of embedded computing boards designed for AI and robotics applications. These boards provide the processing power necessary to run complex AI algorithms and machine learning models, enabling robots to perceive their environments, make decisions, and perform tasks autonomously. Jetson has been adopted by numerous companies and research institutions to develop innovative robotic solutions. For example, in agriculture, Jetson-powered robots can analyze soil quality, monitor crop health, and optimize irrigation, leading to increased yields and reduced resource usage. In healthcare, robots equipped with AI can assist in surgeries, provide care to patients, and even perform diagnostic tasks with high precision. AI-powered robotics in manufacturing. Manufacturing is one of the sectors poised to benefit most from AI-powered robotics. Nvidia's AI solutions are enabling the development of robots that can perform complex assembly tasks, quality control inspections, and even predictive maintenance. These robots can operate around the clock, significantly increasing productivity and reducing operational costs. One notable example is the use of AI-powered robots in the automotive industry. These robots are capable of assembling car parts with extreme precision, ensuring that each component meets strict quality standards. By integrating AI into their operations, manufacturers can also predict equipment failures before they occur, minimizing downtime and maintenance costs. Autonomous vehicles and Nvidia's AI. Autonomous vehicles represent another major frontier for Nvidia's AI technology. The company's Drive platform is designed to enable self-driving cars, trucks, and other vehicles to navigate complex environments safely and efficiently. Using advanced AI algorithms and powerful GPUs, Nvidia Drive processes vast amounts of data from sensors and cameras in real time, allowing vehicles to perceive their surroundings and make decisions. This technology is being adopted by numerous automotive manufacturers and tech companies aiming to bring fully autonomous vehicles to market. By enhancing safety, reducing traffic congestion, and lowering emissions, autonomous vehicles have the potential to transform urban mobility and make transportation more sustainable. Ethical considerations in AI and robotics. As Nvidia pushes forward with its AI and robotics advancements, ethical considerations are at the forefront of the conversation. The deployment of AI-powered robots raises important questions about job displacement, privacy, and the potential for misuse of technology. Nvidia is committed to addressing these concerns through responsible AI development in collaboration with stakeholders. One of the key ethical issues is the impact of robotics on employment. While robots can perform many tasks more efficiently than humans, there is a legitimate concern about job displacement in industries such as manufacturing and transportation. Nvidia advocates for a balanced approach that includes retraining programs and policies to support workers transitioning to new roles in the AI-driven economy. Privacy is another significant concern, especially as robots become more integrated into our daily lives. AI-powered robots collect vast amounts of data to function effectively, raising questions about how this data is stored, used, and protected. Nvidia emphasizes the importance of robust data privacy measures and transparency in how AI systems operate. Collaborations and partnerships. Nvidia's vision for a robotic future is not pursued in isolation. The company actively collaborates with universities, research institutions, and industry partners to advance AI and robotics technology. These partnerships are crucial for developing innovative solutions and ensuring that AI benefits society as a whole. For instance, Nvidia collaborates with the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, to develop advanced robotic systems for healthcare applications. By combining Nvidia's AI expertise with MIT's research capabilities, the partnership aims to create robots that can assist surgeons, improve patient care, and enhance medical research. Educational initiatives. To support the development of a skilled workforce capable of driving the AI and robotics revolution, Nvidia invests in educational initiatives. The company offers a range of resources, including online courses, workshops, and certifications, to help individuals and organizations develop their AI and robotic skills. Nvidia's Deep Learning Institute, DLI, provides hands-on training in AI, machine learning, and deep learning, empowering developers, researchers, and students to build cutting-edge AI applications. By fostering a community of skilled AI professionals, Nvidia is helping to ensure that the benefits of AI and robotics are widely distributed. Future prospects. The future of AI and robotics is incredibly promising, with Nvidia at the forefront of this transformation. The company's ongoing innovations in AI hardware and software are enabling the development of robots that can perform tasks previously thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see robots playing an increasingly prominent role in our lives. In the coming years, Nvidia aims to expand the capabilities of its AI platforms, making them more accessible and versatile. This includes enhancing the computational power of the Jetson platform, improving the accuracy and efficiency of AI algorithms, and developing new applications for AI-powered robotics. Nvidia's commitment to advancing AI and robotics is paving the way for a future where intelligent machines are an integral part of our daily lives. From agriculture and healthcare to manufacturing and transportation, AI-powered robots have the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries, making them more efficient, sustainable, and resilient. As we move towards this robotic future, it is essential to address the ethical challenges and ensure that AI technology is developed and deployed responsibly. The promises made by Nvidia are not just about technological advancements, but also about creating a better, more connected, and more intelligent world for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.